Good evening all. You're welcome to tutorials with From Eternity the Schoolboy, Class B, Circle 2023/2025. Today we are going to take a look at Physics Assignment Review. Physics Assignment Review 1. Question 1 says, define diffusion. Define diffusion. What is diffusion? I can't hear you. Please project your voice. Just hear you. Is what? To feel what? Is that all? And continue. So what makes them possible to be able to achieve that? Because of what? Random thermal motion. Okay? I think I agree with you. There is a tendency of, in chemistry, in biology, that is not biology, how diffusion is. I hope you know. Biology will just tell you that diffusion is the movement of what? From where? To where? Is there any intervening medium? Now, but physics will go to at the molecular level. Biology will just tell you what happened. It moves from this to where? This. But physics go to the molecular level to tell you exactly what happened, why it happened, how it happened, what makes it possible to do what happened. So that's where physics is focused on. Am I communicating? So that's why the definition is like this. That the diffusion is the tendency of what molecule to do what? Migrates and fill what? Empty what? Space. Because of what? The random what? Thermal what? Motion. So these molecules are moving. Okay? They move from place to what? Place. But actually their movement is around from the area of high concentration to where? The area of what? Lower concentration. All right. I think the answer is correct. Then 1B says list two factors that can affect the rate of diffusion. Ellen Mary. Temperature and what?
Pressure.
What else?
Membrane permeability.
In diffusion.
Nature of substance.
Any other thing? Any other one? Chibuzo, give us one. Volume. How does volume affect rate of diffusion? Did you do the assignment? Let me see where I did it. Let me see. Let me see. Fast. Chinwe, give us one.
Concentration gradient.
Area of higher concentration to area of lower concentration. I think so. There should be concentration gradient. It should affect it anyway. Yes. Okay, Because you know that if there's no gradient, high concentration, low concentration, it cannot move. Hope you know. The molecule will move to where it it's low until you come up and it will be at what? Equilibrium. So I think I'll accept that. What else? Is that ask me? You say you show me where you do your assignment. That's what I ask you. Bring, let me see.
I came with 2 books that I don't understand.
This I won't take this again. Listen to me clearly. I said this when you were not here. If I give assignments, if you don't do the assignment, don't come. If you come here without the assignment, I will send you back. You go home, and as I send you back, I'm calling your parents immediately that I sent you back. That you did not do my assignments. They will know what you are doing. So if you are here to learn, they will know that you are here to learn. So if you come here and you don't do my assignment, as you come in, I'll ask for it. I will send you back immediately. I'll call your parents that your son or your daughter has been sent back. Reason, he or she did not do my assignment. Whenever he comes back, you tell him why you did not do your assignment. I won't take this again. This is the final day. I won't take it again. Because they sent to you because they believe that I will teach you. So they should know what is happening. They should know you are not serious. It's as simple as that. They should know. Now let's continue. Number 2 says, which of the units of the following physical properties are derived? Which of the units of the following physical quantities are derived? I, area. I, thrust. That is THRUST. I, pressure. IV, mass. Then option A says I, and IV. Number 2 says I, and I only. C says I, and I only. What did I write? Okay, sorry, IV only, sorry. D says I and I only. What's the answer? So well done. What's the answer? Huh? D is what? Huh? So why do you choose B? How? Explain what they mean. Explain how are they derived? Explain. Just explain why area is derived, why thrust is derived, and why what is it called? Pressure is derived. Simple. That's what I want to hear. No long story. Why are they derived?
Because they are begotten
Give me an example now. What fundamental quantity is contained in area? Huh? What are you saying? What is it now?
the same length times length.
What of thrust? You don't know what is thrust, and you say that thrust is a graph quantity. Is that how you study your own? Is that how you study? You don't know what is thrust. You didn't want to look for what is thrust, and you just say that you just put it as the answer. I don't like this. It doesn't make sense to me. Next person, please. You don't know it. It's true. No, what's the answer, please? Explain. What and what? What? What's that? What are you explaining? Okay. First of all, you should just tell me what is trust. So what for them? What is it? What's the units of force of trust? Huh? Jewel, trust. It is not true. Newton. So by and Newton is force. Force is derived. We know that force is derived. Simple. Force is from MA. It's not true. So it's derived. So that's why trust is what? A derived quantity. Chinwe has talked about area. And what of pressure? I know it happens somewhere, but tell us what. Go for the formula. What is? Does it have a formula first? What is the formula? Does it have a unit? This is how you know whether it's derived. Does pressure has a formula? So what is that formula? Who knows? Pressure? No. It's not true. Pressure is what? Pressure is force per unit area. So force over area is what? Pressure. So that means that pressure is what? Derived. Simple. So the answer is B. Please know the reason why you are choosing any answer. Please. Number 3.
So please, is trust the same thing as force?
Yes, yeah, it has is set up of force in what? Where does it act? In liquid. So it's a force. Okay? So that's why it has Newton. And if you break down Newton force, you realize that it's a derived quantity. Now, next one says the diagram below represents a portion of a vernier caliper. What is its reading? A. 7.10 cm. B. 7.09 cm. C. 6.90 cm. D. 6.29 cm. Look at the diagram. Look at the vernier caliper. So who will tell us the reading? Come out here and show us on the board. The reading. Fast. Nobody. Nobody. Go to the board now. Take mark. One what?
That's it.
Okay.
Move on.
Okay. No, just 10 division. It's not CM. You want to know how much? Continue. I wanted to hear what you're saying.
6.6 6.1 6.2.
Okay.
Starting. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.04, 0.05.
Where is 0 here? Start from 0 now.
And now 0, 0, 0.1,
0.1.
0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08.
Okay. Is that an 8? Wait. You see, it seems I made a mistake there. That's issue. Let me count it again. Wait, hold on. No. It should be here. Should be here. Okay, continue. Count it again.
0, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0.09,
Okay.
0.09.
So the answer is what?
6.29.
6.29. All right, thank you. So the reading on the vena caliper is what? 6. Any question there? Huh?
That one, I thought it's half of, like that, after 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, that one, that is up and down.
Which
I thought,
one? This one.
uh,
You thought it's what?
it will be half of.
No, and there's already a calibration here. Like one division is 1, so they are not half there. If had it been there's small one in between these ones, it's half. But this one is just what I mistakenly did not put 1 here. This should be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Are you there? I understand what you're saying. That one we did the other time. You see, there's no particular. You read what you are given. You read it based on what the scale they gave you. Okay, that's why I like what you did first. If you try to understood the scaling first. If you don't understand the scaling, the scaling may not be the same thing. There are some you see they don't even write. Listen. There are some you see you may see 10 here and see 12 here. So if you see 10 here and see 12 here, what does it imply? Still subtract them 10 from 12 and get 2 and divide by 10 and have a 0.2. That means the division is what? 0.2. Then if you now have in mind that it was 0.1, you may make a mistake. And in the option, you see it in the option. I know what you mean. All you know is that here, whatever you get, any subdivision you get here, you get on the main scale, divided by 10. You get the subdivision in the what? Linear what scale. Basically, that's what you should know. So whatever they do here, just try to understand what that subdivision is here, and you are good to go. Does it make sense? Okay. So the answer is 6.29 cm is correct. Next one says a chemical balance is used for measuring A. Volume, B. Mass, C. Thickness, D. Density. What's the answer? A chemical balance is used to measure what? Chinwendo. What's the answer? Huh? Email assignments. Email. Any day you don't do the assignment, I'll send you. I don't even come to lesson that day. You hear me? Don't even try to come at all. Don't even come near to the door because I won't allow you. And I'm very angry with you if you come knowing fully well that you didn't do the assignment. I'm very angry with you. Just respect yourself and stay at home and be doing it at home. And then the next time you step inside the scene, you must show me that assignment before I will allow you to the class. What is the answer? Weight, volume. What is the answer? It's mass now. It's not volume. Didn't we discuss how to? Even though we have not treated it here, but at least the same people we did it in the other class. Did you mention chemical balance as well? What is to measure volume? So where is volume coming from? Please be careful between spring balance and chemical balance. Spring balance is for weight. Chemical balance is for what? So what? Mass. Okay. All right. So the answer is mass. Number 5 says define relative density. Define relative density. So what is relative density? Cheboza. What is relative density? Izu? No. Chiwando.
Ratio of the mass and volume.
No, that one is density.
The ratio of the density of the substance to the density of the given reference material.
Again, density of what? Ratio of what?
Density of the substance to the density of the given reference material.
Reference material, which can be water, right?
Yes.
I like the way you defined it, but anyway, depending on the nature of the substance, but water is normally used when it comes to liquid, true of us. But I like the way you define it. Is the ratio of density of a substance to the density of a reference material, a reference substance, or a standard. So the standard may differ. If you are talking about relative density of liquid, water is liquid and solid. Water is normally used, okay, for liquid and what? Solid. Then for gas, I think hydrogen is normally used also. But just know that we treat it to a what reference what substance or a standard. That's the correct definition of relative density. All right, so that's the end of our physics review. Any question? Any question? Okay, when you say relative, if relative is a comparison, okay, you are comparing two things. It's not an absolute value. That one it doesn't have units. It's a relative quantity. It's a relative term. So you are comparing the density of a substance to the density of a standard. That standard may be water, mainly water. Most of the time it's water they use. So you compare the density of a substance to that of water. You divide the density of substance to that of water. You get the relative density of that substance. Does it make sense to you? Good. So that's what relative density. So by the time mass kilogram per meter cube divide from the substance, divide by kilogram per meter cube of what? The standard of water. Kilogram per meter cube we cancel kilogram per meter cube. You know what I mean by kilogram per meter cube now? The unit of what? Density, right? Because density is mass over what? Volume. Change over what is defining density for us. Density is mass over what? Volume. So if you divide that the unit of density of the substance and by the unit of density of water, the two units will cancel out. So relative density has no what? Unit. It has no dimension. It's dimensionless because it has no what? Unit. Does it make sense? All right. Any other question? Okay. In the absence of any question, we'll stop. We end our physics review for today at this juncture. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you.